Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious potato salad without eggs. First, select the right potatoes. Waxy varieties like Yukon Gold or red potatoes hold their shape well. Boil them until they are just tender, then let them cool completely before dicing. This prevents a gummy texture. Next, we'll craft a rich, egg-free dressing that delivers all the classic flavor you love, ensuring a perfect side dish for any meal. Now, let's create that irresistible creamy dressing. Start with a good quality mayonnaise as your base, then whisk in a tablespoon of Dijon mustard and a splash of apple cider vinegar for a tangy kick. Incorporate finely diced celery and red onion for a pleasant crunch, along with fresh dill or chives. Season with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a touch of paprika to enhance the overall taste. With your potatoes cooled and your dressing ready, it's time to combine them. Gently fold the diced potatoes into the creamy dressing, making sure every piece is thoroughly coated. Avoid overmixing, which can break down the potatoes. Once combined, transfer the potato salad to an airtight container and refrigerate it for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial for the flavors to fully develop and marry together. When you're ready to serve, give your potato salad a final stir and garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or chives for a pop of color and extra freshness. This egg-free version is perfect for picnics, barbecues, or as a simple side dish. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For more great tips and deals, and to find a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.